A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter, The French Revolution. In previous video, we have discussed that on 20th June, they assembled the National Assembly, the common people assembled in tennis court, and they declared themselves as National Assembly, and they were drafting a constitution. But when the National Assembly was drafting the constitution, there at that time there was a severe winter, and because of that there was bad harvest, and common people were exploited by the person shopkeepers, and the price of bread was raising. Because of the shortage of food, the people stormed and destroyed Bastille on 14th July, and Louis XVI finally accorded the recognition to the National Assembly. National Assembly got its recognition, and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by the constitution. Means his monarchy was abolished and constitution was framed. On 4th August 1789, feudal system was abolished. Now let's discuss about the France became a constitutional monarchy. When a National Assembly completed the constitution, drafting the constitution in 1791, there was the monarchy powers were limited. Powers were separated and assigned to the different institution, which made France constitutional monarchy. There was constitution was drafted, but still the Louis XVI was the situation was tensed because Louis XVI was secretly negotiation with the king of Persia, and the neighboring rulers were also worried because of the development of France. Neighbors were worried that like France there will be a revolution, so they decided to war. But on April 1792, National Assembly declared war against Austria and Persia, and this war was the war between common people and king. At that time there was a patriotic song which was known as Marseillaise. It was written by Roquetelet, and now this is the national anthem of France. Because of these wars, there were losses and economic difficulties. At that time, mostly men were at war, and women were looking after their households and earning their livelihood. Because of these situations, many political parties, many groups which were called clubs were made in to discuss government policies and to plan their own forms of actions. One of the most important club of at that time was Jacobin Club. It was the most successful club. Women also formed their clubs. In Jacobin Club, the members of Jacobin Club were shoemakers, printers, small shopkeepers, artisans, etc. These were the members of Jacobin Club, and their leader was Maximilien Robespierre. Their dress was long striped trouser. It was the most important club, and people discussed their problems, their policies of government at that time, and they formed their actions against the government. And in summer 1792, on 10th August, they held the king as hostage because king was in prison. So elections were held, and all voters were the men who were 21 years and or above, they were the voters. And on 21st September 1792, it abolished monarch and became republic. So in France on 21st September 1792, France became the republic. What do you mean by republic? It is the form of government in which main head and the members are elected by the people. So that's all from my side for today. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.